Hello, friends. Today we will be looking at 20 quotes from Nikola Tesla that will show you how genius he was. He was a brilliant inventor, engineer, and physicist who is best known for his contributions to the development of alternating current. But he was also a philosopher and a poet who had a lot to say about life, the universe, and everything. Let's take a look at some of his most famous quotes and what they mean. Number 1. The man who does not understand your poetry can feel it. This quote shows Tesla's belief in the power of art to transcend language and intellect. He thought that even people who didn't understand the words could still appreciate the emotions and ideas expressed in poetry. No. 2. Science is nothing more than perception. This quote shows Tesla's view of science as a way of understanding the world around us. He didn't see it as a collection of facts and rules, but as a way of interpreting reality. No. 3. All that a man possesses or can accomplish is the result of the thoughts he has been thinking. This quote shows Tesla's belief in the power of the mind to shape our reality. He thought that our thoughts determine our actions, our successes, and our failures. No. 4. My brain is only a receiver in the universe. There is a core from which we obtain knowledge. This quote shows Tesla's belief in the interconnectedness of all things. He thought that we are all linked together by an invisible network of energy and information. No. 5. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. This is one of Tesla's most famous quotes, and it reveals his obsession with these concepts. He believed that everything in the universe is made up of energy, and that everything has a frequency and a vibration. No. 6. We are living in a new era, an age of electricity. This quote shows Tesla's excitement about the potential of electricity to change the world. He thought that it would bring light, power, and communication to billions of people. No. 7. I do not believe in black magic. I believe in the power of the human mind. This quote shows Tesla's belief in the power of the mind over matter. He didn't believe in supernatural forces, but he did believe that the mind could heal the body and influence reality. Number 8. The most important discovery of my generation is that a human being can bend space and time with his mind. This quote shows Tesla's belief in the power of the mind to shape our reality. He thought that we can create our own destinies by focusing our thoughts and emotions. Number 9. There is no energy without frequency, and there is no life without love. This quote shows Tesla's belief in the interconnectedness of all things. He thought that we are all linked together by an invisible network of energy, and that love is the most powerful force in the universe. Number 10. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. This quote shows Tesla's belief in the power of imagination and innovation. He thought that the future would be shaped by those who had the courage to dream big and work hard to make their dreams come true. So these were just a few of Nikola Tesla's many famous quotes. What do you think of the man after knowing about him through these quotes? Do let us know in the comments below.